Hello everybody, Jack here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy and sell gift cards online. My website of preference here is Bazaar. I have an affiliate relationship with them, which is why it's my website of preference. It also helps that they accept cryptocurrency as payment and offer some of the most competitive rates in the industry, while also being legit and communicating quite promptly. They've always been really civil and responded to me and treated me much better than basically anyone else. And that's something I value. Bazaar allows you to purchase gift cards in bulk. This is the first thing that I'm going to show you. To do that, you'll need to set up a Bazaar account. I'll show you how to do that later. For now, we're just going to go to my account and then click on My Orders/autofill. From here, create new autofill order. At the point of making this video, buying cards in bulk is available for Apple cards, Best Buy cards, Home Depot cards, Lowe's cards, and Walmart cards. You can see the rates here for whether you're paying with coin, which is Bitcoin, etc., or if you're paying with e-check. There's a couple things you should know about bulk purchases. First off, the minimum is $100. Second, the maximum is $1,000. If you want to get more than $1,000 worth of gift cards, you can do that, but you'll need to place multiple orders, and they're going to go from one customer to another customer. They won't place priority on you because you want $10,000. As far as Bazaar is concerned, everybody gets $1,000 of gift cards and then they go on to another customer who wants that much. Also, your order will be filled with a spread of $25. This means if you try and purchase $110 of gift cards, but there's only two $50 gift cards available, the order will be filled for $100 and you will be charged $90 or whatever the discount is. Another thing to know is that with bulk purchases, only 24-hour cards will be used. So you will have to spend the cards quickly if you want to make sure you don't have any problems. If you're located outside of the United States, you'll need to get Bitcoin. It ends up just making everything cheaper, and you don't have any of the risk associated with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in buying gift cards on Bazaar, you'll need to load money onto your Bazaar account through one of two methods. You can either use a bank account or cryptocurrency. You cannot use a credit card, and you cannot directly use a PayPal account. If you would like to use a PayPal account to load, you'll have to get cryptocurrency using PayPal, and then trade that cryptocurrency on Bazaar. You cannot directly link to PayPal. To add your bank, you'll click on this Deposit with e-check. You'll select the bank account and then deposit. Usually you're able to use the money pretty quickly, but it can take up to a day. As far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, Bazaar accepts Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and LiteCoin. Bazaar isn't a wallet service. If you leave money in the account, you can only use it for buying gift cards. If you're interested in acquiring cryptocurrency, you can learn more about it by going to your balance section and clicking on this link here. Bazaar recommends using Kraken. It's one of the cheapest ways to exchange cryptocurrency. You can also try some other methods. If you're an international-based customer outside of the United States, you're going to need to purchase using cryptocurrency because you need to have an actual bank account in order to do the direct deposit located in the United States. If you're interested in purchasing one-off gift cards, for example, to save some money on your groceries or that kind of thing, you're not an e-commerce person, then there's loads of gift cards that you can acquire at Bazaar. Some of the most popular ones are Walmart gift cards, Apple gift cards, Target gift cards. So all you have to do is use cryptocurrency, and you can reduce your expenses by 5 to 10%. When you purchase your gift cards, you'll need to make sure you pay attention to the spend policy. This is basically the guarantee window, okay? If there's a problem, within 24 hours, you'll get a refund. But if you note the problem after that point, you won't get any money back. So if you purchase a 24-hour spend policy gift card, you have to spend it almost immediately if you want any kind of guarantee that you'll get that money. However, say that you purchase a 30-day spend policy card, you can use it 15 days later, find a problem, it'll get taken care of. So pay attention to the spend policy, because if you purchase a 24-hour card, there's no guarantee that it's going to work after 24 hours. So make sure you use it before that point. Generally, the shorter the spend policy, the better the discount. As you can see, these Walmart cards have 8% off, and they're the 24-hour spend policy. When 30-day spend policy cards are available, they usually have a discount closer to 2 to 5%. You can also sell individual gift cards if you have some lying around. For example, let's say I have a Walmart gift card. I would type in Walmart here and then enter the information and be able to get paid as soon as someone uses it. It's a very fast process. The cards that you sell can either go into a coin balance or an e-check balance. You can sell cards and receive cryptocurrency back or a direct deposit into a US bank account. To get started using Card Bazaar, you'll need to verify your account. To start, minimize this video, scroll down, and click on the first link in the description of my video. This will open up the Card Bazaar account and you can get started. After you've clicked the link in my description, go to the top right and press sign up. You'll either be able to use a phone number or an email. You'll need to check the boxes and continue. Once you've created your account, you'll need to do 2 steps of verification. You'll need to verify a phone number by receiving a text and saying what code it is. And then you'll also need to verify your ID. When you add the bank account, Card Bazaar will deposit a certain amount of money, usually pennies. And then you have to verify exactly what the amount that they deposited was. Once you've done that, you've verified your phone number, you've uploaded your government-issued ID with a picture of your face, then you're ready to go. If you don't have a bank account, then you can just use cryptocurrency. You don't need to verify a bank account in order to use Card Bazaar. You only need the bank account verification if you're doing direct deposit or an ACH transaction to deposit money into Card Bazaar. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please use my link in the description. Just clicking on this once is enough to give me credit. You can also check out my tutorials all about macro creation. If you want to get more time out of your day as a heavy computer user, there's no better way than getting good at using macros to automate tasks. If you want any other tutorials, then post a comment below. Let me know what you want videos about. I'll make you a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.